man, it's storm there, man. Boy, we are wait for the way it breeze them like a wave out of sea. Yeah man, I eat this. I eat this you know. Father, protect me little horse. Protect me cow them up a bush. But so they get white you know. No man, Melissa. No sir. Hey. Inside breeze that you know. All the planting tree them lean out the side you know. Who there? Oh. Who there? Things the drop you know, off a tree you know. Hey Melissa, just pass up and go on where you are going you know.
What them blood clot?
Alright, you see trumpet tree over there, sir? You see trumpet tree? This one falling leaf. God no. Hello. Hello. Me there, man, in a storm. The plate mash up. Blew over.
Yeah.
What flag on? Eh? What blew away? Cherry tree pop down there, sir. Yo, cherry tree pop down on my grandpa there, sir.
Cherry tree pop down?
Yeah. Chili ma drop off. You know see it? Grandpa put mash up!
She's actually a pop down there for me to say. If I were you out there, I'd be to do a pop down for anything.
Yo!
And if I were you to lay up in the door while I'm cooking up, leave you out there. Oh, you know, I hope that's what I'm check for you.
Walk your tree tear down. Right now, for me, go gun up, you know, guess what? Take it down, fall in there, Some of the picture of a
See it,
road
man.
up the sun.
You see it.
The bumbo clad. As soon as them post them break, you know, in a youth. Blow away, you blow your way. Blow away, Raj. Blow away, all away. Mad. You know, serious.
Pure white, yeah, look on and look on the tree, them are pure white. Pure white. God make it for them survive because we can't lose horse, lose bus, lose chicken, and lose pork. We can't lose everything. We can't lose everything about God. And lose farm. That farm flat. I make a plant and tree them flat.
Bus windscreen mash, back one mash, mirror. Rascal. What is this? This looks strange upon Bucknard
Place
Road.
looks strange. No man thought you don't know to walk by your yard. The place looks strange. Me say. Alright. I see when the breeze is, you could go right there and look. Right across there so. Up a cash up. Bathroom goodly gone. In the veranda.
Gone.
Bathroom and the veranda goodly gone. When I back on for ugly for you. Come on, I'm to call them. Did I just see me on the dimensional star? Alright, Nika come, Nika come. Come in. You say, you see when the breeze is off, go right up past this and look up in a planting. Not tree, every up just pass off. You have to watch that still, yeah?
Come barrel them, come at tank.
Go for it, tank reach here down so. All our new brand shine pretty zinc them gone. House gone. All of that the side of the house gone, you know. And the TV cock up in a ear around there, you know. Shut no star.
Look how big house up there, so we name this thing.
Gumbads. Let me tell you, say if you go right there and look up in a plant. So when I tell me they go and take them and plate them off and whatnot. I don't know how I left to plate them for and whatnot. Look at them down and so we do it.
You can buy back now.
Go there, you want charge.
Oh God, you want to
watch that still, yeah?
Come barrel them, come at tank.
shine, put his ink them gone. House gone. The whole of that side of the house gone. And the TV cock up in a ear around there.
Big house up there, so we name this. Around that background there, sir.
Shit. You want charge?
Oh God, you want to fall them in a cup bar. Yo!
Why you having a bus to wet up like papers and stuff like the glass and stuff? Check out them.
Around the front of papers there.
But it back mash out and water go blow up. Water go down to the top like that.
Can't do nothing, Shayna. Stay wet up. I just wash there, not to wash wet. What is the funny place? That's all.
Right now, they don't stop gone. Watch from the place. That don't stop gone. Watch it. Yeah. No one has to mash up. Nick!
Bro.
Yeah, take out signals. You want to input? Alright, hold this up here.
Yeah, bro. Get time for video, man. I look, me just look. Yo, look on the water with the pitch off up a Susie. Look on the water with the pitch off up a Susie. Oh. My dog goes blow down, you know. I just see spot left. I hear my dad say, yo, if start come blow in my house, man, I want you man, just lift up a piece of food, man. I say people homeless right now. So you stay there. Yo, what them fall there? Real soldier them in a yard. Yo, me say them fall there real hot-head fall yard. Watch it. Yo, my dog coconut tree gone too, you know. For me zinc first fly off over there, so you know.
Couple of them, or three of them fly off.
Box over, so you know, daddy. left, no, oh God! You don't even one piece of signal left for the house, yo. You all the phone.
Yeah, man, see, I'm catching pain, see him there. See? Let's come in the box and move here.
Nobody cannot cross it. Understand? Only an Indian cross it. With a machete, you can cross it. Okay. Right on the road. That's it.
You're so force, man. To quack. Bombardiers! Bombard star! Ross! Master, I want to force up your man. You want me draw feel like you it? Stop yourself to force. Don't touch like me slippers are come out. Yes. Wrong time, my camera dead enough. I'm an iPhone.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, right there. Buckrat!
Hold this one.
Yeah!
Hold me wait.
That's calm and nothing good, no left up in my mind. Community. As a matter of fact, Jamaica done. Watch behind me. It's a farm that, you know. Watch her going like this one. Woo! One of my house floor. Tree dropping out. Coconut tree dropping out. Coconut tree dropping out. Vox there. zinc them gone, everything in our board was mash up. Yeah, disaster. Disaster, me I tell you. Yeah. Sit down. No, see stone here. Turn around the bottom. Turn around. One in hand bottom. Turn around. Sit. Sit, Boo. Sit. Sit down. Sit down. Water cool. Man, I wash you enough.
Yeah.
Give me a